Hello everyone, let's see how to make some leaf art. So just we are cutting out leaves with different colors and then pasting it as shown in the video. After that, with a black bold marker we are making the branches of the trees and the painting is ready. Next again we are taking some stems along with the leaves directly, and then we are pasting red leaves as some flower petals and butterfly also making with leaves, and the scenery is ready. Next again we are taking some leaves and then making a caterpillar out of it. It looks so cute. Now detail it with any sketch pen or marker which you want, and your cute caterpillar is ready. Next we are making this flower bouquet along with this lovely and beautiful flowers. After making the flowers we are covering it with some paper and tying it with ribbon, and it is ready. Next we are making a mermaid with the help of these leaves. First cutting out the yellow leaf for her hair and then pasting out these red leaf for the top, and then for the tail we are taking this green leaves and it is ready. Now detail it with black marker or black pen and your cute mermaid is ready. Next we are taking a flower and then after that we are making some more flowers like that and pasting it on this empty cute surface, and it is ready. Next we are taking the leaf and then making a cute backward side girl with it, and your scenery is ready. Next we are taking some petals or any similar leaf. After that covering it with one on another, and you see this cute beautiful flower is ready. You can gift it to anyone. Next we are taking a leaf and then just making these designs with different color pens for this. After that you can see your cute little butterfly is ready with leaf. Next we are taking a red leaf and making the hair of a girl out of it, and then just making cute beautiful dress out of yellow leaves. It looks so pretty. Next we are making a flower with this and making a bunch of flowers following the same steps and making a bouquet, and then it is ready. You can gift it to anyone or for home decor you can keep it. Next we are making this circle semicircle shape on its cardboard and then cutting it out. Here we are making an animal with the help of these grass. Stick the grass all over the body of this animal and your cute little animal is ready. Next we are taking a stem along with the leaves and then just giving it a design with different markers. You can give any design you want on the leaves, and after that you can see how pretty they are looking. Next we are making a pot shape on this cardboard. You can give it any design and after that cut it out and paste it. Here we are making some flower with leaves and it is ready. Thanks for watching.